What? Don't lick the camera. Hella. Oh. Oh boy. Make sure she didn't lick that. Okay. We're starting this video in the camper because as soon as I go outside, I'm going to hear all the complaints of, oh my God, it's so noisy and I can't hear you and blah, blah, blah. Okay, which I get it. I do. I get it. You want to hear what I have to say, and I appreciate that. But it is extremely windy out there today. I've already done a load of gravel, and I was going to film me doing that part of it, and I had this camera up on the tripod, and the wind decided to knock it all over. So then I thought I had like toasted this camera, but it's okay, which is a good thing. And so I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to start this video in here, talk to you guys for a moment. Then Miss Hella, who seems to be ready to go out. Are you ready to go out? Huh? You ready to go? Look at the tail. Oh yeah? You ready? We're going to go outside. We're going to walk up the hill. I'm going to show you, I did a load last night, which you obviously hadn't seen yet. Did a load already today. I believe that it's like 5 o'clock right now. I do believe I'm going to do one more load today. I got to see where my motivation is, because when I did the first load, I was absolutely not motivated. I can tell you that right now. So we're going to go take a walk. All right. So hopefully we'll see what's happening. When we get up to this upper meadow, I'm telling you right now, you're going to hear nothing. So we're going to walk over here real quick. We're going to see where the solar's at. The sun is out at the moment, which is nice. So we're going to take a real quick peek in here and see what, if that's going to show us quick enough. But again, here's the new beehive. We'll be getting that all set up as we move forward. Again, we had some heavy-duty rains this morning, and so that was interesting. And then after that was done, then like I said, the sun has come out. Still showing me that. Okay. But anyhow, I'm excited about this beehive. I am. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's a learning curve, which I get it, and you know, that's how you learn. You learn by doing. That's to me, that's the important thing. That's not showing it yet either. Okay. We'll give this just a moment, folks, and I'll show you where we're at. But the sun is out right now pretty good. So we're definitely collecting solar. And as soon as this thing shows me... there we go. Alright. So what it's showing right now, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, 89%. Not too shabby. Haven't been running the generator because I haven't needed to. Didn't run it at all yesterday, and yesterday was a partly cloudy day. So, alright, so we're going to take a walk here with Miss Hella. And we're going to head up the hill. Oh my, I got to tell you, the four-wheeler here, I took it out for a ride today. And obviously had Hella with me. Oh my God, she was so funny. She definitely, she is full of energy. I will tell you that right now. That dog is crazy full of energy. Alright, so now, right now, since the last get together, I am up to 8 loads of gravel. Like I said again, there's 3 in here. These were heavy duty ruts in here. I will probably, the game plan is, you can hear it, you guys can hear that wind. The game plan is going to be another load here, down in this lower section, and then I'm going to piecemeal up through here. So at least 2 more loads on this side of the hill. Then, as we're coming up now, it's getting windier, so I don't know how well you're going to hear me. I'm going to do at least 2 more loads on the other side, and then I'll start working on other parts of the road. Okay. It's so weird. It's like a tunnel effect. Yeah. So here, at least one more load on this side, maybe two, and then the far side will be another load over there. Through this area is 5 loads now. You know, it's let's see how many feet. All right, 46 times 3. So, what do we got? 138 feet maybe? But it's going to make it going up this hill a whole lot easier. Look at the trees. It is really blowing. But, and there's Miss Hella. So I'm thinking behind the shipping container for the beehive, the only other spot that I could think that would work well, possibly, but it's over, it would be over in here somewhere, and was actually thinking possibly, I know Sandra wants to have her build somewhere over here, and I'm not sure exactly where, but I could tuck that down in here somewhere, but I'm not 100% sure down here. It would be well out of the way, which would be good. They'd have all the grass area to do what they needed to do, and but yeah, I mean, the only other, like, maybe down in here on the far back corner is a possibility. I'm not sure. Like I said, again, we're going to be dealing with bears no matter what. So if I put it here or if I put it up behind a shipping container, you know, we'll see what happens. Look at the winds. Woo! Anyway, folks, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm probably going to do another load of gravel. I'm trying to get myself geared up to it. But remember, we're all in this together. I'm going to tuck behind a tree here and see if this helps. We're all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we're going to be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important to tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, man, you can do it. The only one stopping you from achieving your goals is you. I'm going to walk back out here a little bit just so you can see the power of this, and then I'm going to sign off.